Okay, it's Dr. Steinbrech again for ASAP's Instagram takeover. What we're going to talk about body banking. Why did I do that? It's taking all the bad fat and putting it in good spots. So let's just go right to the tape. Okay, right here.
Is the game changer. Body banking moves cells from unwanted areas. The power structural fatty cells are then transplanted into the desired areas
in the
of
calves,
the patient, filling
put up in the pecs,
camouflaging todic skin.
6 little drops, serrated stripe, shoulders, as you saw today. You can even put in the cheekbone and jawline and chin. There you go. And then afterwards, you look like this. Improved contour. Okay, so that's body banking for women, breasts, glutes, primarily for men, all these areas. Lots of lumps and bumps. That's Dr. Steinbrech for body banking for our ASAP's Instagram takeover.